Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video from How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to delete your messages on Airbnb. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to delete your messages in Airbnb, you just simply have to open your Airbnb application at first. Then, after opening your Airbnb application, you will get to see this messages option just besides the profile option. Tap into that messages option and you can see all of your message. I don't have any message yet, so I can't see any message into here. If you have and you want to delete that, you just simply have to find out the edit button somewhere at the top right side and then just simply tap into that edit button, and after tapping into there you will get the option to delete or save the message and also the archiving. You just simply have to select delete and delete the message very easily. This way you can delete the message into Airbnb. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.